Hey guys, welcome back to Goals with Gear. My name is Ed, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the ROMEO 1 Pro from Sig Sauer. This is the miniature reflex optic for handguns, or you're free to put it on a rifle if you feel like it, but I don't think it's suggested. This is a top-loading CR1632 battery, can be changed without removing the sight, which is nice. It has a true hold lockless zeroing system, a super efficient LED to 20,000 hours of battery life with stainless steel shroud for durability, and high efficiency notch reflector coating extending the runtime. So that's pretty cool. As you can tell, it's unopened still, the seal's still there. This is specifically the 3 MOA red dot model. There is a 6 MOA. I specifically just wanted the 3. I don't know too much or big about it in terms of like what the differences are between 3 and 6 in terms of, other than the obvious, the 6 to me seeming like a bigger dot, and then the 3 being a little bit more thinner and more fine. So I would assume it would help with better accuracy long range versus a general faster acquisition with a thicker red dot. But that's just my uneducated 2-second bit of what it is. I specifically was able to get this on sale. Comparatively, I think it was, I want to say like something like $50 off, which to me was a very good deal, at the very least compared to what it normally is around my area. So take with it what you will. So let's get into this before you guys get super tired of me. So let's use my very nice and generic bootleg sock pea knife to open this. It's not very sharp, or, oh, there you go. There you go. So, comes with, of course, some Sig swag. I believe this is like a cool felt patch or a sticker. The ROMEO, oh, it might be a carry case for it. That's actually pretty cool. But it should be resting on your gun, so it doesn't really matter. This is the box it comes in, and then I don't know what this is. Okay, so this is actually just a cover for it. So it comes with a nice like plastic or rubber mold cover case for it. This is the key to fit it in. More tools. Don't worry, we'll get to the actual model itself. This steel overshroud. Man, so you can go like pretty full on with the optic here, and this is the actual unit. These are the screws and the battery, but I'll leave that there for now, and we'll take a look. So there you have it. This is the ROMEO 1 Pro Sig Sauer optic. This is a really nice optic. It's just very well built. You can feel the quality in your hands. I don't know how well that'll be conveyed over a video, but this is something I'm very excited to run on my Sig P226. Pretty much the moment I grabbed the 226, I knew I wanted to run a Surefire, or not Surefire, but a Streamlight or a weapon light on it with optic, which in turn inevitably meant that I either have to mill my original slide, which I'm not exactly ecstatic about, or get the not aftermarket but the upgraded P226 Pro Cut slide that's optic ready and built for, I believe, Delta Point, RMR, or something like that. But specifically, I know the ROMEO 1 Pro with the same brand is built to fit properly, so that's what I'm going to run with suppressor height sights, just to see if I can try to get them to co-witness properly too. And that'll be my intention on how I upgrade and why I specifically got the ROMEO 1 Pro as opposed to other pistol mounted weapon light or optics. Yeah, thanks guys. So let me know what you guys think. If you think the 6-hour ROMEO 1 Pro is absolutely worth it, or if it's something that is just hype behind its name, or if you have a alternative or something that I should check out. I know I have the Hex Dragonfly already on my AR. It came with it, and it's actually, I think, about the same size. So I may eat my words about it being for ARs or not for ARs and stuff. So let me know what you guys think, and if you guys have any comment suggestions or anyone you would like to show my videos, I really appreciate it. Thank you for subscribing if you guys are subscribed, and hopefully I'll have more videos. But thank you very much, guys. Bye.